Okay, so it's Tuesday, 11th of May, 10 minutes before RTH open. This is what we did yesterday in the day session. And this is how much we dropped today in the overnight or the European session plus the Asian. So we're almost about 100 points lower, but we're still inside the balance area. The most traded price 80, 81. My expectation for today, scenario 1. We have a series of higher lows. Scenario 1 is continue with the overnight bias to the short side. So we're opening around 30, and I expect to test higher, 40, 50, and then lower, and on the downside to 20, which is here, and here we have 10, and here we have 100 century figure. So I expect this to test down to 4104 and find support. Scenario 1. So 40 to 50, and here 04. Scenario 2, I expect test briefly to the downside, find buyers, and bring us up to 60. The overnight swing high. This is how it looks on a 15-minute 15-minute chart. Right, on the 15-minute chart, here we are. This is the low at 20, prior week's low. So I expect scenario 1, test the 40 support area, 44, 48, even up to 50. It's possible, it's likely. The overnight VPOC, 40, 48, 49. We have an LVN in the 50 area, where we've had the VPOC from the overnight building volume, and then extend lower, take out the overnight low, the MC VPOC at 21, prior week's low, and then 04, where we find buyers. the weekly low what's going on? The weekly low of last week is at 20, and last week was a bullish engulfing week of the week before. Oh god. We have after we have formed a higher low on the weekly yesterday by a few points. And if we take out the prior weekly's low, we'll have a low high, the lower low on the weekly, set us down from down, one time framing down on the weekly. So the 20 is a line in the sand, which is an important level for the buyers to defend. And I expect that to be taken out on the scenario 1. And then the 104 to serve as a support area, which is the low of this balance, really. 101. Okay, scenario 2 in green is we open 32, test lower, take out the overnight low at 23 quarter, and turn to the upside, test 44 and 50, and extend possibly to 60. Resistance stocks on scenario 2. So take out the previous day, take out the overnight low and then continue higher and test the overnight VPOC at 49.50 and then extend up to 60. So that's scenario 2. Trends up or down. If after 100-point drop we still find strength to go impulsively, I'd favor the buyers buy the dip buyers, and we resume the move from yesterday from the overnight. Sorry, yeah, we take it back. Scenario 3 and scenario 4 is sharp move to the downside. And as we drop below the 4100, the century figure, we have a bit of a low volume area which will take us down to 60. Scenario 4. So that's that.